What's up everyone? Corey Parks here with HydroHelp911. We wanted to shoot a video on squeaks related to structural repair. This is something that we've run across in the past, and we typically run across them after the job's done or on the back end of our job. And we want to shoot this video to help better explain why we may not be able to 100% take care of all squeaks. We can take care of a lot of them, but there are certain areas that we have no control over. So if you're having issues sloping, sagging floors, we come in, do some work, you may even have some squeaking and cracking because there's some structural damage or your floor joists are spanning too long. We can come in, we can shore all that up, we can take care of all that. When that's done, 90% of the time, we don't have any issues. There are a few instances to where a customer will still have some questions or concerns about some squeaks. We can adjust our jacks, adjust our piers, we can do some limited stuff, but there is a certain area that we have no control over. And that area is really between the flooring, the finished flooring of your house, whether that is tile, hardwoods, linoleum, whatever the case is, between that and the subfloor. That is something that we don't do in our scope of work for HydroHelp911. It is also something that we can't fix from under the house. The second area would be between the subfloor, which is the plywood, and the top of the floor joist. Whoever installed that subfloor, if they used the wrong nails or they didn't nail it enough, there may be some instances there where you're going to get a little bit of cushion between the subfloor and the floor joist. We can try to tighten that up, but at the end of the day, sometimes that's a pretty hard issue to handle. So we just wanted to shoot this video to let you know that there could be a possibility that there's a squeak afterwards. If it's something that we can come back and adjust and control from within the crawl space, we're happy to do it. But sometimes that squeak is elsewhere, for example, between your hardwood floors and your subfloor, and we have no control over that. Hopefully this video helps. If you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're happy to help. Thanks.